Honda has finally pulled the wraps off the new 2027 CB1000GT, and honestly, this might be one of the most exciting sport touring bikes we've seen in a while. Based on the proven CB1000 Hornet platform, it combines superbike-inspired performance with the comfort you'd want for long-distance rides. Power comes from a 1000cc inline-4 engine producing around 148 horsepower, paired with premium features like electronically adjustable Showa suspension, cornering apes, cruise control, heated grips, a quick shifter, and Honda's 5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity. It's clear Honda wasn't trying to cut corners here. What really stands out is how practical it is. You get integrated panniers, an adjustable windscreen, upright ergonomics, and all the tech you'd expect from a modern sport tourer without making the bike feel overly complicated. Now, is it worth your money? If you're looking for a motorcycle that can handle daily commuting, weekend canyon rides, and cross-country touring without breaking a sweat, I'd say it's definitely worth considering. Honda seems to have found a sweet spot between performance, comfort, and value. What do you think of the new CB1000GT? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews.